Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Teams for CRM Activity Tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type CRM to find your desired CRM application. Click on the Add button to integrate the CRM with Teams. Once added, open a new channel or select an existing one where you want to track your CRM activity. In that channel, click on the plus icon to add a new tab. Search for the CRM app again in the tab options. Select the CRM app and click on Add. Follow any prompts to configure the CRM settings for the tab. Once configured, click Save to finalize the tab addition. You should now see the CRM dashboard within your Teams channel. To set up activity tracking, go to the CRM tab you just created. Look for the settings or integration options within the CRM app. Enable the notifications for activity updates. Choose which activities you want to track, such as new leads or updates. Set preferences for how you would like to receive notifications. Now, you're fully set up to monitor your CRM activities directly within Teams. Regularly check the channel for updates and notifications. This helps keep your team informed and engaged with CRM activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.